What's happening, guys? Hope everyone's alright. Down in Cwmcarn. I'm gonna drop in. Just had a bike back today. Just had a service with my mate. If anyone wants a bike serviced anywhere local to me, Merthyr area, check out my mate Dave, the RW Bike Services. I'll put a link in the description below. But yeah, I needed a new bottom bracket, so I had him fit it and do a couple of other jobs like bleeds, new seals on the forks and stuff. I done them the other day myself, but I had some new ones, so I thought I'd have him do it all at the same time. He's done a good job as well, fair play. So to have a little run in on us today now, and so it is, test it. So yeah, before I drop in, thought I'd have a little bike check, just see where I am with the bike. Anyway, this is where we go. It's got a YT Capra, size large. As I said, second, third hand, give 300 quid for it. Bit of a bargain. Did come with a Monarch RC3 shock. The stanchion was knackered on that, so we sold that. Well, I haven't sold it, still got it. But I bought this one. Boss Kirk had a bargain on it, 100 quid. I've fettled as much as I can with it for now, but I think it's just been messed with again, so I'm just going to have a little run in with it now so it runs. I might have to put a little bit more air in. I might be running a bit too much drag, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, got a new bottom bracket in it. Running a DO crankset, 12 speed, 32 teeth up front, with the eagle back, cassette, derailleur. Got a new chain on it as well, but I'm still running my old pedals. Seem to be doing alright. Got an Hope Fortis, Hope 4 Pro 4 hubs on the back. Do like the sound of a Hope hub, gotta be honest. But that seems to be doing a job as well. That's a 142 spacing. I had to get that because the one I had was a boost to 148, so I've had to drop that. I'm running a 148 on the front door. That's a boost. Was it 148? There's more than that on the front, isn't it? Yeah, minion front and back, running tubeless as well, both DHFs. 2.5 on the back, 2.6 on the front. It's not a WT on the front though, that's the thing, wide trail, but it's a 2.6, so it's alright. Come on. The fork was off my track. That was meant to be 160, but I took the took the air shaft out, put a 180mm air shaft in it off a 2022 type. I noticed when I took the old one out, there's a 150 air shaft in it. That's why it was never running right. Running a lot better now. Got the sag right, but as you can see, it's standing a lot higher. Yeah, there's 180mm of suspension. So that's giving me a bit higher. The bike's supposed to be spec'd with a 174 because it's 180, so it's going to stand it up higher by 10mm, take it out by another degree. But what I've done then, I've also got a works components angled headset in it, so it's dropping it back by 1 degree. I've had 1 or 2 rides with it. I'm really happy with it. Seems to be doing really well. And I've got a spike bars, 800mm, 15mm rise with a new stem on it as well. 33mm stem, shortened it from 50, I think it was, or 45, something like that on the track. But oh, a hell of a lot better, much better, more direct, more control. Doesn't wander so much when I'm climbing. I thought it would do it more, but it's actually a lot better, a hell of a lot better. Yeah, so that's it. Brakes, SRAM guide, ours. But an R that side, and R lever that side. I had to put that on the other day because it was leaking, so I changed the calipers over. I got Uber pad in the back, the white matrix, and I got just a SRAM sintered one in the front. 200mm up front rotor, 180 on the back. That's the bike. Bit of a long bike check. Let's see how it rides. Let's get it on. Okay, dropping in to Wacko Draco. A very misty day. It's a bit too bouncy in the front. Might need a bit more damping on it. Bit too sensitive. Oh, it's been a while. Okay, and look at Conda. First time in a long time. Very, very steep. that guy going down there on a pretty brightly coloured bike, similar to mine, in brightness at least. So he's seen some of my vids. Nice guy. Hopefully he'll have another vid like that to show him now. This track looks fun, fair play. This is called Turns in the Ferns. Pushing up there just so we can check it out, but yeah, it looks a laugh. Let's get up there and check it out. Not a lot to see today. Check out the joining track at Turns in the Ferns. Let's check it out. Second section of Bedloads used to be called Wacko. It's got a new name now, Wacko. Apparently, is that like a copyright thing or something? Cocked out on the speed. Okay, so normally go down there into the Kaiser, Turns in the Ferns. Fog is clearing up now. You can see down there earlier. So I pushed that back, have a look there. I gotta say, I was impressed. So like that now, give it a go. Oh. Pushed out on there. See the front wheel went over there. The lower section now. Going back on blue headlands. Yeah, it's fun. Enjoy that.